Now, one of the things that's been missing from the analysis of the West Indies-England series so far is the likely negative effect on the England team of not having their passionate and loyal fans in the stands. England over the years could always depend on the Barmy Army to give them that extra energy from the stands, whether at home or abroad. With the COVID conditions confining the series to a spectatorless bubble, that advantage is gone. Now, for a crop of England players who probably have never played in empty grounds, this must be quite unsettling. Now, on the other hand, this is no issue for the West Indies players who are fully accustomed to playing both regional and international cricket in front of empty stands. Yes, and so would not be adversely affected. And we all know the effect of home fans for sports like football and basketball, but we just never quite appreciated the value of fan support in cricket until the advent of the series. So maybe now, West Indian cricket fans should consider going out and physically supporting the team again, so that instead of the players hearing their own voices echoing from the empty stands, yes, let the players hear our voices singing, run, 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 run,